Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name's Elliot Danton and I will take you on a short guided tour of this Audi A4 Black Edition. It's a 1.4 petrol and you get about 150 PS from this car. As you can see, you get front LED headlights, you get your 10 Audi Sport blacked out alloys, your S-line badging, and because it's a Black Edition you do have black trimming on the side and back of the car and privacy glass. As well as that, this car does have front and rear parking sensors, and you do get quite a lot of space in the boot of this A4. Take a quick look inside the car. Got your leather S-line embossed seats, your multifunctioning steering wheel which controls the entertainment system. You have heated seats, dual climate control, and it's push to start. And this is a manual. With this A4 you do also get cruise control. And if you do want any more information, please contact me, Elliot Danson, on 07540 130 713. Or email me on e.danson@blackburn.audi.co.uk and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.